Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can fix D3D compatibility issue. So I'm going to show you a few methods from which you can solve the issue. So the first method is just simply go to your settings and check for your system updates. Just go to settings, then Windows update, then just simply click on check for update. If you have any pending updates like you can see over here, so just simply update them and install them, and after that just simply restart your system and check whether your issue is fixed or not. Try checking out does your game have an update or not. Your game could be anything like Valorant, Fortnite, etc. So just simply go to your game and check whether do you have an update or not. After that just simply check do you have an update for your graphic card or not. So for doing that just simply go to start menu and search in device manager and open device manager. Then click on display adapter, click on your graphic card whatever it may be, then right click on it, then click on update drivers, then select on search automatically for drivers. Now if you have a driver update, it will automatically update it for you, or it will show you a screen like this. So now after this just simply close this window and restart your computer if you just now updated your graphic driver and check whether your issue is fixed or not. Now after that, if you are still facing the issue, try installing Visual C++ and DirectX. So for doing that, just simply go to the description box below and you will find two links, and open the links and you will be redirected to the Microsoft page. Now the first link will take you to DirectX. So over here just simply click on select language and select your language, then hit download. Then a download window will pop up. Just simply choose a location and download the application. And then after downloading is complete, just simply hit on the exe and the installation will start. Now just simply install the DirectX like any normal installation, and make sure to uncheck this box which says install the Bing bar. Just simply uncheck that and click on next. So after the installation is complete, just simply go to the next tab, and over there you will find again three links. So just simply download them one by one and save it to a location. Then after the downloading is complete, just simply open one by one, and if it is already installed, just simply hit on repair. Wait for a few seconds. Now after the installation is complete, it will ask you to restart your computer, but you can just simply hit cancel because you have to install two more softwares right now. So just simply wait for it. Now open the second exe, and again if it is already installed, just simply hit repair and wait for the repairing to get complete. Do the same for the third one as well. Check the agreement and hit install and wait for the installation process to complete. So after the installation for both of the applications is completed, just simply hit restart and restart your computer and see whether your issue is fixed or not. After the restart, if you are still facing the issue, I would suggest you to uninstall the game entirely and reinstall it, because that's the only solution left, and after you do that, most probably the issue will be fixed. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.